Good morning, students. In beta today here we discuss about some important topics related to chapter principle of inheritance and variation. So please listen it carefully and understand. Trying to understand it. Okay. Now, as your screen there is a picture of paleotropy. Okay. So in all cases of Mendelian inheritance described in the prescribed above topic, that we have seen that a single gene is responsible for the expression of single trait, means one gene is responsible for one character. Later it was observed that a single gene, means a paleotropic gene, may influence the expression of more than visible traits. Means one gene is, when one gene is responsible for many expressions, that one, and this ability of the gene to influence more than one trait is called paleotropy. Okay. uh, there is also very important, you have to be know about the all of experiment, all of example of it, because in board exam there is lot of question arise from these, and question is right from the example. So you have to be know what example is suitable for which content. Okay. So in this example sorry, in pea plant, the same gene that affect flower color also influence the seed pod color and the color of the leaf of exam. Similarly, the gene that determine the size of wings in Drosophila also affect eye color, position of blisters, shape of spermatotheca, fertility and length of life. Okay. And the so one example is this: sickle cell anemia as the most benefited example of paleotropy. Paleotropy in human is hereditary disease called sickle cell anemia, which is a recessive gene causes the production of abnormal hemoglobin. As you seen, there is two blood cells in hemoglobin, one is sickle cell and one is red blood cell. Means in those persons where have irregular RBC, which is from sickle cell anemic, are caused by these disease. Means as the shape of red blood cell containing it become distorted and sickle shape, and sickle shape red cell are cells not only transport poor oxygen but resulting in anemia also, but also tend to clump together and clog small arteries. Thus homozygous individual, please note it, there is two difference, homozygous and heterozygous, in regard of sickle cell anemia. Homozygous individual are sickle shaped cell normally die early in life due to severe anemia, and where heterozygous state confer protection against malaria as the parasite cannot live in these distorted cells. Okay. Sometimes board asks question related to these 2 points. Okay. Now this one a very nice example of paleotropy. um, Next one is, this one is phenylketonuria. It is the other reference of paleotropy. Means the basis of paleotropy in the interrelationship between the metabolic pathway that may contribute toward different phenotypes. Example like disease phenylketonuria in human being. It is due to the mutation of gene that code for the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. This results in a phenotypic expression characterized by mental retardation and a reduction in the hair and the skin pigmentation. Okay. So this is phenylketonuria. It is also example of paleotropy. This means mutation of gene code that type of enzyme which form phenylketonuria in human being. Another most example is starch synthesis in pea seeds. Means starch synthesis in pea seed is controlled by one gene, and the gene has two alleles, capital B and small b. Starch is synthesized effectively by capital B. Capital B is homozygotes and therefore large starch grain are produced. On the other hand, small b homozygotes have lesser efficiency in the starch synthesis and produce smaller starch grain. And after mutation, capital B, capital C seeds are round and the small b seeds are wrinkled. But the heterozygous AB, capital A, capital B produce round seed as B is a dominant allele, but the starch grain are intermediate size. So if starch grain size is considered as a phenotype, then from this angle the allele show incomplete dominance. So all of these we conclude that dominance is not an autonomous feature of a gene or the product that has information for it depend as much on gene product and the production of a particular phenotype from this product. So beta there is four example of paleotropic and all these example is very important. 99% board raise these type of questions. Okay. Okay, now we go with our second topic. That one is multiple alleles. What is multiple alleles? Means most genes occur in two alternative forms, both influencing the same state and occupying the same location on homologous chromosome. Such different forms of the same gene are referred to alleles, and some genes, however, may occur in more than two allelic forms, and these allelic forms are collectively known as multiple alleles. Means a set of multiple allele may contain 3 or 4 or even up to 20 or more members, which essentially occupy the same location on homologous chromosome. Means multiple alleles, one member is always dominant and the recessive to all other. And the former is denoted with capital letter, first letter of the character is represented, while the letter is denoted by the corresponding small letter. All the other allele are also denoted by corresponding small letter but with suitable suppressive script which indicate that character they represent all the member are written in a series or sequence, which is such that each member is dominant to all those which are written after it. Okay. So here regard of multiple alleles we get example of blood group. ABO blood types of an example of multiple alleles. Means a well known example multiple alleles ABO type of human is given by Carl Landsteiner. Carl in Landsteiner in 1900 discovered the blood cell in all persons is not alike, and hence clumping or aggregation occur in mixing blood of certain persons. He grouped blood under 4 categories on the basis of type of substances known as antigen and found the surface of red blood corpuscles. Aggregation means antigen are of two types, A type and B type. A type antigen is present, the blood group is said to be A, and when B type is present, is said to be B. When both the antigen are present, is said to be AB, and when neither is present, it should be O. So the three different alleles IA, IB, and IE of gene determine the phenotype of 4 blood groups. IA alleles determine the formation of antigen A, and IB alleles of antigen of B. So both IA and IB are dominant over I. Since a person with genotype IA IB produce both antigen, and this is also called codominant. We already described it in previous topics. Okay. So they are both expressed in the phenotype as AB, and the genotype of variation blood group indicate that they are inherit in the simple Mendelian fashion, and offspring with all the 4 kind of blood groups are possible in a cross between two parent heterozygous for blood group A and B. So these are multiple alleles. Okay, means for one trait there is multiple alleles present for it. I hope you understand it. If you have any query, please contact with us and share your doubts. Okay, thank you.